Hi, welcome to INTP 104. My name is Ava Feenstra. I'm one of the 4 lab instructors that's associated with this course. So there's also Michelle, Heather, and Shaylin, and you'll see their introductions on the courses. We just wanted to welcome you. INTP 104 lab will be different this year as we'll be doing it online, but that way we can see each other's faces as opposed to being masked. So hopefully that will work well to learn from each other, improve our communication skills, and that's something that will help us no matter what field of healthcare we end up in, and even in every other aspect of our life. Being a great communicator is always a good idea. So I just wanted to mention a couple of things to you. There are 2 Blackboard sites that you will each see. You'll see your lecture site, which has all the course material, and it's noted as INTP 104 ABC. Cindy Brooks is the instructor and does all the lecture work. Each of us as lab instructors has a section, and they're labeled 01, 02, 03, and 04. And when you go to lab class, you want to click onto the Blackboard link within your lab section. So for example, if you're in section 1, you want to click on that Blackboard course and find the live classroom link for your lab section. And those happen Wednesday afternoons. As you'll see from the course outline, and we'll talk more about it, the labs are mandatory. If you have any challenges, questions, issues at all, please reach out to us as soon as possible. As your instructors, one disadvantage we have being online is that we can't observe you in the classroom. Sometimes that helps us to notice if somebody's struggling or might want a little bit of help or to have a chat. So please reach out to us. Don't leave things. It can get a little bit overwhelming, especially in an online environment. So please reach out to your instructors. We're here to help. We want to ensure your success, and we look forward to working with you. So we'll see you in lab. Thank you.